Oh my gosh!
Oh, look what I got, y'all. Y'all, I'm goofy as hell. I'm in love. I ain't going back outside. I'm never, ever, 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 ever going back outside again. Check, check, check. Can you guys see me clearly? This ring light, I'm gonna go ahead and package it for you. All right, so let's get unboxing. Let's get unboxing. It comes like this. It's another box inside a box, and then it's shit in there. Oh, I thought it was something in this paper. And here's the box from the ring light, and we're gonna put this on the floor. Thanks, Amazon. And again, all the information will be below if you would like to order yourself one. I feel like a kid. I feel like a kid on Christmas opening this packaging. Like, I'm just really ready to get in here. Like, damn it. I'm just so happy. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's pieces. Oh, it's more packaging. I just want to say thank you to everybody who believes in me, who pushed me to believe in myself. Here's my newer ring light. Thank you. I'm gonna protect this with my heart, my mind, my soul. Okay, here's my newer ring light. I've never used one of these before. I've seen them in other people's videos, but I personally have never. So let's go ahead and unpack it. Get her open. I'm real bad at this. I'm real bad at putting stuff together. So I'm gonna let y'all know if this was really hard. So it looks like you have a piece here, which is the actual ring. I'm just so excited. So that's one piece. You get this nice bag. I think this is a really nice bag. It's a really professional bag that your items come in. It does have a zipper, so I guess you can use that area. I'm gonna show you. So I took this out of the zipper, yeah. So I guess here's this extra zipper in the bag, so you can put your like equipment or whatever else you need to carry with you for your video editing. And then this has these cardboard pieces in the bag. Now let's unbox this. I don't know what's in here. I really don't know. When you open the box, it looks like this. It's going to be something in a different language, so we're just gonna toss that over to the side. And then here's the instructions. So it definitely has the instructions you need, and we're gonna go through these instructions together. All your equipment basically is in here. It's that one cord right here. So when you get it, I would suggest just using this sheet here to check and make sure you have everything. So you see we have our ring. It looks like you're supposed to have an adapter cord, which is this. You're supposed to have 3 cords. I have my 3 cords. Here I go. And then you're supposed to have a stand, which I think the other box is the stand. You're supposed to have these clips. I guess these clips are to adjust the lighting, the tone of the lighting. And then my shit came with a button, y'all. It came with a button. You can use this for Android or iOS. It's a Bluetooth button where it pairs with, I guess it pairs with your equipment. It pairs with your phone. I got all this for $109, like $109. So it was a little cheaper. I think it was under $100, and then with tax it was like $109. And that's with shipping everything. And that's 2-day shipping. Here's the camera holder. Now wait, something's missing. I think they're in the other box. So let's open the other box. I just got real concerned. Now, I hate buying things online. I'm not an online shopper. I said this year I was gonna try online shopping because I just like unpacking things. But I'm not an online shopper. Like, I love to give people my money and get my stuff right at that moment. But You can't do that with these. You have to go online to buy them. And I've heard that Neewer ring lights was a thing, so I ordered me one. I'm about to tear this box up to get in. Just tear it up. You just gonna tear it up. I'm just so excited. I can't take it. I just want mine to stop. All right, so we finally got in this box. And yes, all 3 pieces are in the other box. So here's a bar. I guess that goes somewhere as well. Your stand for your ring. And then here's the piece, I guess. Okay, so let's put this together. This probably gonna have to be 2 videos. Okay, so here comes the confusing part, and it could have been just being me. I mean, I get confused a lot. Like I told y'all from the beginning, I'm not good at putting stuff together, but I could not figure out how to put this pole on to this ring light stand. So you're gonna see me tussling with it. I got to the point where I gave up kinda. I had to make a phone call. Like, oh my gosh, and think about it, all you had to do was untwist the screw. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to do that as well. So putting this part on right here, you have to unscrew this all the way. Make sure you take it all the way off. Then put it on and screw this back in. Because if you don't, you're going to be sitting there looking crazy. You're going to start calling people. I had to stop recording because I had to call somebody. But that's all. Just take it all the way off and then screw it on. And you're going to place this cord here. You know how you're going to get it back, don't you? You know how to make a man, don't you? I'm so excited. Okay, so the last part is to put the cords together. This is super easy. Only part I had a problem with was that damn pole piece. I'm telling y'all, just all you gotta do is just unscrew it and put it together. Last part of this video is these 3 pieces, which everyone know how to, put together. Basically, this part goes in the wall, of course, so it's gonna go in the adapter. And then this part is going to go. Oh shit, we need the instructions because they don't even explain the cords. I guess they say it explains its damn self. I don't know what this is. Oh shit, here it go. Oh my god, it's lit. It's lit. Oh my gosh, my eyes had to adjust. Oh my god. Yeah. It's over with. Your girl is staying in the crib. Oh my gosh. Yeah, oh, my wall looks so great. And it's dimmable, you all. Look at that. Look at that. It's dimmable. You can have just a little bit or go crazy. I'm so fucking No, I don't have to say much on why you should order this ring light, but I definitely think that if you're interested in becoming a vlogger, if you're a stylist, if you're a model, whatever you are, have to do with the arts or just anything that has to do with being self-employed, you need a ring light because you need to have great camera quality. And if you have an iPhone, you have that. You just need good lighting. So I'm just gonna dim this down a little bit. This explains on why you need a ring light. Look how great it looked when I dim it down. I can really see myself now because I couldn't see myself before. I was blind by it. But it really brings the tone in, right focus really on you. Oh my gosh, it looks so great. I'm so excited. Y'all about to have videos every week from Jazz. Every week. It's about to go up. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please keep liking, please keep sharing, and subscribe to Jazz Beautiful Hair on YouTube. Thanks again. Remember, it's what makes you beautiful.